Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to change the color of your pants in Roblox. So firstly, we'll go to the Roblox website. So in the search panel, type Roblox, then left click. Now go to the Roblox website. Let the website load properly. And after that, click on Marketplace. Now go to Clothing section. And now click on Classic Pants. Now in the search panel, type color changing pants. And now all the transparent clothing will show here which color you can change at your will. So you can select any of these that you prefer, click on them. Then buy them with the small amount of Robux. After you buying them, you need to open the Roblox player. So in the search panel of your Windows, type Roblox player. Then click on open. Wait for the player to load. Now go to the avatar section. Then click on customize. In here, click on clothing, classic pants, and then switch to the pants you just bought, the transparent pants. And after that, go to head and body, then skin. And from here, if you change the color of your skin, the color of your clothes will change as well because they are transparent. You can change all your colors differently as well. So just click on torso if you want to change the color of torso, or head if you want to change the color of your head. And that's how you can get color changing pants in Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.